Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to derive Heron's formula. So before this, let me tell you what is the area of the triangle once its base and height is given. But what if the length of its sides are given? This one and this one. How we will find the area? For this we will use a formula. This is called Heron's formula. This formula is used to find the area of the triangle when only the length of its sides are given. So in this video, I will tell you how to derive this Heron's formula. We all know these identities. It will be used in the derivation. So first we will draw the perpendicular from vertex A to the side BC. And now in triangle ABD and ADC, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So from equation 1 and equation 2, we can say this thing is equal. So here we will use A minus B identity. Now we will open the bracket and consider the minus sign. The sign in the bracket will get changed. So minus d square will get cancelled. From here we can find d, that is in equation 1. We have h square is equal to a square minus value of d from here. Now in this expression we will use a square minus b square identity. So simply here we take the LCM. So here we will open this bracket and consider the minus sign. The sign under in the bracket will get changed. Now we can rewrite this. So this will be nothing but a minus c whole square. So we can write it as b, and this can be written as a plus c whole square. So again we will use the identity a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity. We know that S is semi-perimeter. To this, it is the semi-perimeter. So we can rewrite it as 2S is equal to a plus b plus c. Now we can say that 2s minus 2a will be a plus b plus c minus 2a. दोनों साइड हमने 2a माइनस कर दिया, तो ये हो गया हमारे पास. Similarly, we can say that twice of s minus b will be a plus c minus b. Twice of s minus c will be a plus b minus c. So we will use these things in this equation. So b plus a minus c is twice of s minus c. ठीक है. b plus c minus a, that will be twice of s minus a. Similarly, this will be twice of s minus b, and this will be twice of s. And here we see 4 square. This 2 and this 4 gets is simply under root of this expression. Under root लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2 और ये हो जाएगा under root. So we know that the area of the triangle is given by, so from here height is this and base is BC. The total length is C. And this will be cancelled. So we can rewrite it as, so here we derive the Heron's formula, and I hope that this is clear now. So please do subscribe my channel to stay in touch with my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, stay safe.